So now I'm just going to assemble the flowers. I just made the bougainvillea into a long spray like that, and then it is not going to stay like how we want on the cake. So however, I'm just going to show you a technique, a tip that we could use to make it stay on the cake in the exact position we want, for which I just have about a thick wire, an 18G, and we're just going to make a U pin out of this. So we could just poke this into the cake to make this wine stay in place. I'm just going to cut through. Let me just make two just in case. Mostly one should be enough. And I just need to tape it in the same color as the stem of the wine. Okay, so I'm just going to tape it out. Okay, so I'm just going to place this on the cake to see which position I like. Okay, so to adjust the flowers in such a way that you're just going to position it so I have kind of the wine going all the way up there. Okay, so that will be the position I like. So obviously we just need a pin. Like now I just hold it with one finger and see where I am holding and if that is going to keep my wine in place. Okay, so I'm just going to get this wire that I had prepared. Okay, so I'm just going to bend this and make a U pin like that. Okay, and I'm going to keep the stem in the middle of the U pin. Okay, and I'm going to just push it through in. You could do this to the cake as well, but just so the client needs to know that this needs to be removed before they are going to cut the cake. So now the spray would stay in place. You could still go on and then move around your flowers to get the position. And in case you feel like you want this to be in place, you could add another pin here. Ideally, what I do, try and avoid showing the U pin in place. So I kind of get a flower or a petal to cover it up. And so we have our 3-tier made using dummy, but however, we could just go on and then call it a wedding cake. It doesn't matter as long as this is going to be used for a collaboration, or even on wedding cakes, you could just say 1-tier or 2-tier. Could be dummy and then the top could be cake, depending on how your client wants and what is the weight of the cake your client is asking for. So here we have our beautiful modern wedding cake done and completed, and I will see you in the next lesson.